Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is kitchen organization. I started a series of home organization ideas here in my channel, and this is the third part of it. I will link my playlist for this series in the description box below if you want to check it out and watch it after this one. In this video, I'm going to clean, declutter, and organize our kitchen, mainly focusing under the sink and a specific cabinet. If you're in need of cleaning motivation and kitchen organization ideas, I hope that this video inspires you and gives you tons of motivation to get your own home clean, declutter, and organize for this new year. Let's do this, friends! We're going to start in this cabinet. As you saw, I took out everything that's in here and then I wiped this down using my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner in the St. Honeysuckle. I really wanted to organize this for a while now, but I keep putting it off because I wasn't sure what to put in here. And then I found this, like, I don't know what this is called really, but it's like a tray organizer, I think, or like a pot organizer. I'm not really sure. But I got this the mint color because that's all they have at Home Goods, and it was only like, I believe it's like $7.99. So I got a few of this because I'm going to use this in other areas of our home. But for now, this is the first one where I'm using this. We have most of our serving trays in this cabinet. So I just wanted to like organize this because we used to have this on top of each other. So when I need something on the bottom, I have to lift up everything that's on top, and sometimes it can get heavy. So I wanted to like organize this in a way that I can grab any serving tray that I need without having to lift up everything. So that's what you're seeing here, and you will see me moving things over and over until I'm finally satisfied with how it looks. If you are new here to my channel, I just want to quickly introduce myself and also officially welcome you here. I am so glad you clicked in today's video, and thank you so much for being here. My name is Sal. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. If you like and enjoy contents like this, as well as home cleaning motivation and home decorating, I upload these kind of videos every Friday, so be sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Moving on, in this drawer, I wanted to reorganize this. We have all of our Ziploc bags in here, wax paper, aluminum foil, parchment paper, plastic wraps, some extra sauces, and also some cooking instructions. So I just want to clean up here a little bit because last time I did this, it was, I think, last year, so it definitely needs this. I found some affordable organizer that I wanted to put in here. This drawer functions, so whatever we have in here is going to stay back in here. I just wanted to make this drawer look a little bit better because I think I can do better. If you are my old subscribers, or if you have been watching me for a while now, then you probably have heard me said before that every time I'm organizing an area, I always choose function over aesthetic, because it doesn't matter how good it looks. If it doesn't function right for you or your family, it's not going to stay clean, organized, and pretty. It's just not. So every time I'm organizing a space, I always make sure it functions. And if it's not the first time I organize it, then I change it and find a way to make it better. And this drawer, like I said, it functions. So what I did now is just try to make it look better now than it was before. So I found these organizers at Amazon. They were pretty affordable. I will link them in the description box below if you want to check them out. I have wanted this organizer for a really long time now, but now since they are getting more popular, a lot more vendors are selling this in a better price than when they first came out. I got these ones and I just really love how this drawer turned out, you guys. These Ziploc organizer are like a must-have for me, because before we were buying like wrong sizes of bags when we need them. I don't know, I thought I needed a sandwich bag, but then turns out I needed a snack bag. I don't know, I guess I couldn't tell the difference, so we were buying like wrong bags. But now I would know exactly if we're out of something, what we need, because it's labeled. See that? And then those foil organizer, they are so nice because I always like cut myself like when I like try to get some foil or wax paper. So this one is it just makes it look not only organized but also pretty at the same time and function. So I feel like I get the best of both worlds in here, and that usually never happens. So I'm so glad how this drawer turned out, seriously. One of my top tips for you when you're organizing your home or your kitchen that I have learned myself over the years from organizing our own home is that you want your kitchen to be efficient. You want to put the things that you're using close to where you're going to be using it. For example, the spices, you want it to be close to the stove, so when you're cooking, you can easily just grab it. And then like plates and utensils, you want it to be close to the dishwasher, or if you're not using dishwasher, then you want it to be close to the sink, so when you're done washing dishes, then you can put it right back there. It makes your job a lot easier and your work a lot faster. Like I said, it just makes your work in the kitchen or being in the kitchen like overall efficient, because you don't want to like wash dishes and then you have to put the utensils like all the way across on the other side of your kitchen. That's just like, you would not want to work in the kitchen, especially if you don't want to be in the kitchen in the first place, you know? So that's like my very top tip. A lot of you are asking what my like tip in organizing your home. I'm still learning my way. I'm not a professional organizer. I'm just sharing you my experience from organizing our home throughout the years, and also my ideas on how I do them. I took everything out again because I completely forgot to put these drawer liners. You guys, this drawer liner is really good if you have anything in the drawer that's acrylic or plastic, and if it keeps moving, this prevents it from doing that. So I highly recommend having this in your drawer. Like I said, if you have any containers in your drawer that moves a lot. I'm switching these white beans from these acrylic containers because I don't really like the look of that anymore. It is a really good container, you guys. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm moving it to other areas of our home. But for the kitchen, I wanted to stick with these acrylic ones that I got from like Home Edit collection. It is the 10 pieces bat collection, and it's pretty affordable as well. I will link this acrylic organizer in the description box below if you want to check them out. But you obviously don't have to buy everything that's in this. I'm just showing to you, like I said, what I have in this drawer, what I'm using, what I think is good organizer. This video is not for any way for you to buy any new things. You can use whatever you have in your home and make it look functional and good. Your home, you can put whatever you want, but I'm just sharing you what we have in our home and how I use them. So I'm going to be using those white bins in other areas of our home, like our coffee table. We have a drawer there that has remote, and among anything else that's in there, it almost look like a junk drawer already. So I'm going to be putting that in there and then organizing it. But we are now moving on here under our kitchen sink cabinet. As you see, it's kind of a mess in here. Last time I organized this was last year, and it turned out to be kind of a disaster in here. I feel like maybe not for you, but it is for me. I am very stressed every time I open this drawer. I organized this, like I said, last year. I thought it was gonna work perfect, but it didn't. Surprise, surprise, real life. So I'm going to be reorganizing this because, like I said, it doesn't function the way I thought it was going to be. So I needed to reorganize this and make this functional for me and my family. And I have learned something about myself, you guys. I am that kind of person that doesn't like stackable. I don't like to lift something that's heavy, or even if it's not that heavy, I don't like to lift something. And I found out that if I had to do that, I wouldn't put things back. I would take time to like get something that's underneath the container. Like if it's a stackable, if there's something I need on the bottom container, I would take my time to get it, but I wouldn't put it back. So that's my second tip for you. Be honest with yourself. If you're that kind of person that doesn't like to put any lid back or any stackable container back, then don't do that system, because if it's not you, then it's not gonna work. Don't push yourself on something that's not you just because it looks pretty. If you want to keep up and maintain your organized space, then you have to be honest with yourself. And that's something I learned with myself, with my family, just from like organizing our home throughout the years. So that is my goal now. Make our life easy, efficient, so that we can keep up with the organization and system that I'm putting in our home. I peeled the contact paper or the drawer liner that's in here because they were looking pretty old. The pipe under here burst a couple months ago. something happened. We have to like repipe everything under here. That's why, as you're seeing, I was like having a hard time getting all the way under this cabinet because it wasn't like this before. It wasn't that low. So now that it's all completely different and lower than it was before, I was struggling to take out the contact paper. So when I change it, I only put like drawer liners or contact paper at the front so that it's easier for me to change it again in the future. But that's what I did here. And I also use acrylic drawers in here since I don't like stackable containers or anything with lids. These are a lot easier. You guys, if I can have drawers in all of our cabinets, I would probably do that. But I don't think that's possible. But I like this acrylic drawer. It slides easily. It's easy access. As much as I want this stack on top of each other under our kitchen sink, it's just not possible because, like I said, the pipes are in the way and I can't really have any height. So I just try to use the space that I have in there and organize it in a way that I could and still try to put everything that we have under there. So you'll see later how it ends up. I really like it. I don't think it's perfect, but I think it's so much better than it was before, and I feel like it's something that we can maintain, and I feel like it's easy access unlike before. So that's like my main goal. Like I said, want everything easy and efficient. And this is how everything turned out in here. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, my friend. And I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of house chore. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free, and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I truly appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye friends!